Welcome to PRECYKIDS TV! Let's learn and play together! Don't forget to subscribe!
Splash, splash, come with me. Let's explore the deep blue sea. Swim with friends, 1, 2, 3. What a happy place to be!
Wave your hands and clap along.
Join our underwater song.
Ready now, let's dive below.
Here we go!
Little shark goes swish, swish,
Swimming like a happy fish.
Friendly smile from fin to tail.
Welcome to our ocean tale.
Swim to the left,
Swim to the right.
everything feels warm and bright.
Swim, swim, everyone. Ocean fun for everyone. Splash and laugh beneath the sea. Come and swim along with me. Happy dolphin jumps up high to the sunny sky.
Click, click, click and spin around.
Making such a joyful sound.
Can you jump?
1, 2, 3.
Jump just like the dolphin with me.
Slow sea turtle glides along. Steady, gentle, brave and strong. Wave your flippers left and right. Everything feels just right. Swim, swim, everyone. Ocean fun for everyone. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Moving to the happy beat.
Octopus has 8 long arms.
With its ocean charm.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Counting arms is really great.
Little crab goes side to side.
Walking with a funny stride.
Click, clack across the sand.
Wave hello with every hand.
Red fish, blue fish, yellow too.
Orange, purple, green for you.
Swimming in a happy line.
Every color looks so fine. Jellyfish floats nice and slow. Up and down the currents go.
Soft and gentle, floating free.
Dancing in the sparkling sea.
Big blue whale sings a song. Deep and gentle all day long.
We hear it play.
Greeting friends along the way.
Lazy seal goes clap, clap, clap.
Then it takes a little nap.
Splashing water everywhere.
Playing without any care.
Little shark and dolphin too.
Sea turtle waves hello to you.
Octopus and rainbow fish.
Swimming with a happy swish. Rubbing down a jellyfish.
Joins in with one last splash.
Wave goodbye beneath the sea.
Thanks for singing here with me.
See you soon. Bye-bye, ocean friends.
See you soon! Bye-bye, ocean friends!